crops for farmers all across the Midwest. According to a recent study by researchers at UMass Amherst, plowing and tilling has
This soil crisis isn't just a one country thing, it's global. Over 40% of our soil is degraded, costing nearly $500 billion each year and threatening food security for billions. This makes it clear that we need a low cost, scalable, and eco friendly solution.
Introducing geopod spores, tiny biodegradable pods that turn dead land into green land. Geopod spores are tiny but powerful. Each one contains native seeds, beneficial fungi, biochar, compost, and hydrogels. These pods activate naturally, so no daily care needed, and are designed for both drone drops and hand placement. They're activated by sunlight and moisture, so no fertilizers or irrigation is required. It's nature powered regeneration.
This is how we visualize geopods.
So here's how they work. Firstly, moisture softens the pod. Then hydrogels release water slowly. Then microbes and fungi boost soil health. Next, plants sprout and anchor the soil. Then pods biodegrade and feed the land. And lastly, as an optional tech layer, some pods can include biodegradable RFID sensors. These track key environmental data like moisture and growth.
Here's the science behind geopod spores and why they work. We use fungi to boost plant growth up to 80% more yield. Biochar helps soil hold 25 to 40% more water, and hydrogels act like mini sponges, soaking up 300 times their weight in water. It's all backed with real research, and is exactly what our damaged land needs to bounce back.
Let's find out how we integrated gizmos into geopods. In this simulation, we find out that without microbes such as mycelium, moss, fungi, the ecosystem is on the brink of a collapse. Hence, we have included these microbes to be a key element of geopod. Here, we use gizmos to demonstrate that the pot with only fertilizer grows the most. Therefore, none of the materials used to make geopods are synthetic. In order to promote sustainability, all the materials used are biodegradable and natural. In this gizmo simulation, we can clearly see that the crops grow most when insecticides and herbicides are used. We have sustainably included both of these in geopods in the form of mycelium and fungi.
Every solution has challenges and we addressed ours. RFID litter, we can use biodegradable silk coating. Seed fail, we can add drought tolerant native species. Soil pH off, we can use lime, sulfur, or eggshells. Pod washout, we can add a sticky clay base. Pests, we can include companion plants like marigolds. No chemicals, no short.
Now you might ask, what if it's too dry or too wet? Well, we've got the answers. In dry regions, hydrogels and fungi act as water retention pros, and they only deploy where there is some amount of moisture and frequent rains occur. In rainy areas, clay shell protects, biochar stops nutrients from washing away. Pods are designed to activate only when the conditions are right, not before or after.
So, what makes our geopod spores different? They've got custom blended biotech, everything soil needs to bounce back. They're self activating, no watering, no effort. Built in RFID tracks progress, then biodegrades. Easy to deploy by drone or by hand. And it's all backed by solid science. Bottom line, these aren't just pods, they're a smarter way to bring dead land back to life.
TerraMen hits multiple UN sustainable goals. Zero hunger, climate action, life on land, sustainable use, sustainable cities. It's local action with global impact. Better soil means better crops, biochar restores carbon dioxide, we restore degraded land, we use eco materials, and this is basically urban regreening.
Let's see how our geopods impact the real world.
Our drones use advanced GPS, LiDAR, and pre-programmed routes to precisely disperse geospores, reaching remote and deserted locations. Moisture-activated geospores remain dormant until ideal conditions trigger germination.
An app connects to sensor-equipped geospores via wireless signals, transmitting real-time location and environmental.
And just like that, the future is secure.